The app navigation bar is a horizontal band of buttons that enable you to go to another page, and can be located at the top or bottom of the screen. The slider panel is a menu that slides in from the left and offers a little more room for items while not permanently taking up space on the app. This video will show you how to use the app navigation bar and the slider panel in ViziApps Studio. In the drop-down list labeled Select App Property, choose App Navigation Bar, and a dialog window will pop up. In the upper left, you have the option of toggling between the navigation bar being on the top of the screen or the bottom of the screen. Right next to that, you can list any pages you would like the app navigation bar to be excluded from. These page names should be separated by a comma. Next, you'll see a row of tools to help you design the look of your app navigation bar. Choose your background color from this drop-down list, which includes the simplified web palette, as well as the more intricate RGB sliders, HSB values, and HSV values. Then select a font color in the same way by clicking on the Font Color drop-down list. In the Navigation Bar Items window, you can choose how many buttons you'll have, as well as how those buttons look and which page they send the user to. Give each button a unique internal ID, as well as a display title. To select the button image, click on the Pick button to be taken to the Font Awesome website, where you can choose from hundreds of images. When you click on the image you want, it will display an image name. Copy that name and paste it into the icon field. Click on Add a Navigation Item in order to add as many buttons as you'd like. If you're unhappy with the current navigation bar, or you'd like to start over, you can click Remove Nav Bar. Otherwise, click Save and close the dialog window, and your app navigation bar will be ready to use. Here's the navigation bar in action in an existing app. Click Preview, and then click one of the buttons in the navigation bar to see it go to another page. Another menu tool is the Slide panel, which slides in from the left and is triggered by a button or image button that could use a menu image. Some users prefer this over the navigation bar because it doesn't permanently take up any real estate in the app, and you can put in more navigation items in the Slide panel than in the navigation bar. Click on Slide panel and give it a unique name. The column on the left represents the internal ID of the page you want to include in the menu, while the right column represents the menu label that the user will see. You can either add page items and labels directly or click on the green plus sign. Also, if you click on the info icon, it describes how you can add an icon to any of the menu labels. The Style tab allows you to choose a background color for the menu. Click Insert Slide Panel, and you'll see an image representing the slide panel. Similar to a hidden field, the user won't see this image. To allow the user to see the slide panel, insert a button or image button and choose the action Show Slide Panel. Experiment with your own navigation bar and slide panel to find the menu type that works best for your app. Find more helpful videos at ViziApps.com and on YouTube. Before you know it, you'll be creating apps like a pro with ViziApps.